Alright, it is 9:54 and there's still 8 minutes to go for my video. It's uploading right now. By the time you're watching this vlog, you've already seen yesterday's video. I'm gonna talk more about it, how I shot it, how I edited it. But for now, this is the situation. It says 5 minutes to go. The thumbnail is done. I am just waiting for it to upload because after it's done uploading, it's going to process for a couple of minutes. So hopefully by 10, नहीं तो 1-2 minute late हो जाएगी video. Meanwhile, cue my intro. क्या हो रहा है भाई? Good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever and whenever you're watching this vlog, welcome to today is day. Welcome to day 42 of the Dailyish vlogs. You guys must be thinking कि रजत ये denim jacket क्यों पहनी है इतनी गर्मी में? Honestly, I have no clothes to wear. मेरे आधे से ज़्यादा कपड़े मुंबई में हैं and आज मेरी काफ़ी सारे कपड़े लॉन्ड्री में थे. So I just had this to wear, so I'm wearing this. Ignore it, excuse it. So आज मैंने सोचा कि सनसेट ऐसे कार में बैठकर नहीं देखेंगे, थोड़ा ऐसे गेड़ी पे चलेंगे, आप लोगों को साथ में लेके चलेंगे. And also मुझे थोड़ी भूख लगी हुई है, so I'm planning to get something to eat. So कार में बैठ के थोड़ा चिट चैट करेंगे, थोड़ा खाएंगे पिएंगे. It's gonna be lit. Also, thank you so much for your response on yesterday's video. I was just a little nervous because I didn't want the message to get confused and I was trying a new editing style, new music, so thank you so much for your response. Abhi filhal I'm heading to Burger King because Burger King khul chuka hai. I wanna eat some fries. So that's what I'm gonna do. खाते हैं, पीते हैं and फिर chit chat करते हैं. Thank you. Awesome. I'm so excited. I feel like this past so many months I've not had anything from outside. Did I? Like not from any like fast food joint. So I'm really excited to try out something because I'm so hungry. I've not had anything since morning. Starving, literally. Let's get it. Thank you. Okay, let's go. We got the goods. आप आइसक्रीम खाओगे? ये लो. Thank you. So this little kid, I don't know what it is. I just cannot see little kids just. So there was this little kid that you saw जो कि ऐसे pens बेच रहा था. And I had this Sunday, ice cream Sunday. I was like, you want to eat it? He said yes, and he was very happily eating the ice cream, and that makes my heart so happy and also so sad at the same time that there's so many children across the world who it's unfortunate that they do not get to spend their childhood like I did and like so many of us did. We were blessed that we had our parents to facilitate us and our needs and everything that we wanted and more. पर कितने सारे बच्चे जिनको एक normal childhood नहीं मिलता है, and that makes me so sad. And I've said it many times in my previous vlogs also that one of my major objective in life hopefully is to provide little children with a normal childhood. Like they shouldn't be working at this age and selling pens on the roads. They should be studying, they should be eating enough food, they should have a good home and loving parents and a family. Anyway, always carry a hand sanitizer because it's better to prevent and prepare than repent and repair. Thumbnail. Okay, really excited. I got myself a chocolate shake. This is a thick chocolate shake, and let me just be honest, you cannot beat Burger King's chocolate shake, a thick chocolate shake. Earlier I used to think that KFC का crusher बहुत अच्छा होता है, but Burger King के chocolate shake का कोई मुकाबला नहीं है. Hands down, the most luscious, smooth, delicious chocolate shake that you can ever have. And I didn't order much food because I know that I have to go back home and eat food, and Mama will be like, "Beta, तुम बाहर ही खा कर आ गए हो, dinner जो मैंने बनाया वो कौन खाएगा?" So I've got a crispy veg wrap and Ooh, how do I get it? And I've got cheesy fries. Look at that. Why don't they like spread the cheese? They just put a dollop of cheese in the middle. What are you supposed to do with that? So this right here, can you see it? Can you see it? So excited. There's just so much mess. Okay, fun fact, I do not like ketchup. I mean, a lot of people like ketchup and fries, but I feel like I just like fries in general. A lot of people would put a lot of ketchup in it, but I just won't. I just like it like that. First bite for you guys. This is a better angle. Let me know in the comments below कि आपके आसपास ऐसे food joints खुल गए हैं. Are you going out there eating? So good. Also, let me know in the comments below which is your favorite fast food joint. Do you go to McDonald's? Do you go to Burger King? Do you go to KFC? And I'm not gonna lie, like I like this. I like going to Burger King. Like Burger King would be, in comparison to others, my favorite. But like I would rather go to a cafe जो कि किसी ने खोला है and it's not like a franchise or a chain. I'm gonna come back to that. This. Okay. Really excited about this. I just don't wanna. Where are the tissues? Okay. Let's give it a go. I need another bite to form an opinion. It's actually really nice. Today was one of those days जब every traffic light that I went to was green. Like every traffic light. I didn't have to stop anywhere. ऐसा कभी कभी होता है, right? कि आप किसी भी traffic light पे आपको रुकना नहीं पड़ता है. I'm gonna try this shake now. This, honestly, I just came here for this. I forget the fries, forget the veggie roll. I came here for this. You cannot beat it. You just cannot beat it. It's, how do I explain it? It's like thick chocolate river. It's like a luscious is the word for this. You know, this reminds me of Mumbai for some reason. क्योंकि मुंबई में भी ऐसा होता है कि I go by myself sometimes. I go to a cafe and sometimes there's Varsha and Khushbu. So Varsha and Khushbu, if you're watching this, I miss you guys like hell. So this reminds me of Mumbai because बहुत बार ऐसा होता था कि मैं अकेला होता था शाम को and I used to just go out. I used to walk by many cafes and किसी एक cafe को ऐसे randomly pick करके I used to go there, have my coffee or have like a sandwich. I used to sometimes take my laptop along and edit my vlogs there. So काफी मजा आता था. Going back to if you ever get a chance to go to Burger King, do try their Whopper. That's also really nice because I'm a vegetarian. I've not tried the chicken Whopper, but the veg Whopper, so good. So good. I didn't like the cheesy fries. The fries were not hot enough and cheese is like क्या बात हो गई? हेडलाइट मेरे मुंह पे क्यों पड़ रही है? क्या हो गया है? बट स्टिल इतने दिनों बाद खाया तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. कल सुबह मैंने डिसाइड किया कि besides doing like a regular vlog, I'll do something more creative and I'll not tell you कि मैं किस subject पे video बना रहा था, but I was trying to make an artsy vlog about something and I thought about it. I designed the shots, I like storyboarded it a little bit and शाम तक जब मैं shoot करके बैठा and मैंने shoot करने के बाद रात को जब edit करने पे बैठा, I realized that it was a pretty shitty vlog. Like the story was not coming along well. And then I was so disappointed. I was like कि मैं क्या ही करूँ अब कल का अब मैंने पूरे दिन vlog भी shoot नहीं किया है. ये vlog जो मैं edit करने जा रहा हूँ ये भी कुछ अच्छा बना नहीं है. Can you stop interrupting? So then I was like कि मैं कल decoders को ऐसे tweet कर दूंगा कि आज का vlog नहीं बन पाया. But I was like no, I'm not gonna give up so easily. I slept at around 10:30 and I woke up at 2:30. And at 2:30, I had no vlog. I had nothing planned. I sat. I was like, what can we do to not miss a vlog day? So I was thinking about it. I took like a good hour thinking about what can be done. The time was passing by. And मुझे ये भी था कि मुझे अभी edit भी करना है, सब कुछ करना है. अभी मैंने shoot भी नहीं किया है. So then I was like, this is exactly what I should make a video about. Like maybe one day I'll show you the vlog that I shot yesterday that I didn't post. जिसको मैं काफी shitty कह रहा हूँ. I was going through the footage and I was like, it's not so bad. जो मेरे दिमाग का ऐसे कीड़ा होता है ना कि oh it has to be perfect. उसकी वजह से मैं इस vlog को shitty कह रहा हूँ. Otherwise it was a pretty decent vlog. I was like, I'll make a video exactly about that. I'll make a video about how sometimes being a perfectionist can actually hinder you from creating something good. And that's exactly what the video was about. Okay, you know, it's good to aspire for perfection. It's good to like strive for perfection, but कभी कभार आप perfectionism के चक्कर में ना काम ही नहीं कर पाते हो. And you know, you are always doubting yourself, second guessing yourself, but you also learn in the process of creation. So फिर मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसी पर ही वीडियो बनाता हूँ. I sat down for a good half an hour, decided how the video should be, and then I shot it. If you see the video, I was shooting in the morning. मतलब मैं सुबह तक शूट कर रहा था. Then I quickly edited it and I was like मुझे 10 बजे तक किसी भी तरह पोस्ट करना है because that's our routine guys. I cannot break it. So मैंने सोचा कि 10 बजे तक I will post it. So आज मैंने यही सोचा कि I'll not do like a regular vlog of me like getting up, drinking coffee. I might go back home and drink coffee and show it to you guys. But like I'll do like a car chit chat. So yeah. I'll see you guys once I'm back home. So I'm back home. This is my happy dance. I completely forgot to record the outro of the vlog. I decided I'll come back home and I'll do that, but just got occupied. So if you enjoyed today's vlog, if you enjoyed my little car mukbang, give it a big thumbs up. नीचे comment करके बताना if you want me to do more of these because I love just driving around and chatting in the car. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon because it's absolutely free. And even if you forget doing all of this, don't forget to be the best and the happiest version of yourself.